When you're doing CVs, documents for your company, presentations and stuff, you have so many links for the blog reports and for the websites, for the social media accounts. Why using link? We can use the QR code, right? Yeah, there are so many QR generators when you go into web. But still, just think you are doing a presentation in PowerPoint and you need to make your QR itself in there. And it saves your time, right? You just need to go to get add-ins and here you can find the QR add-in. Okay, I'm gonna search for here QR for office. You just need to add it to your Microsoft account. Continue. Right, once it is done, you'll get the you'll get this panel where it has been installed, and here you can see that we can give anything. Just say I'm gonna give for the moment www. Google.com, and here you can see you can select what type of target that you are going to give for your QR code. It can be a website, you can open it as a mail, a phone, a SMS, a location, and even a custom. You can create your own. Here we have some options. We can give a color if I need, background color, and size of course. And here just I need to press inside. Of course we are done, and here's the QR code for Google. Hey, it's so easy. So you can make your own QR code in Office, in Excel, in PowerPoint, or any other Microsoft application. Once you need to is get that in, and you can find that in here. Just to press it and get the work done. See you soon with another cool episode.